Alright, here's the setup for the rain shot. I have Nikon D300 mounted right here on the tripod with the Sigma 24-70. Now, I'll move over right here. Got an SB800 gelled. Here's the spot where I stood. I placed a piece of wood down as a marker so I could focus. And right back here, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I have an SB600 as a separation light. I had my friend stand right over by the barbecue grill and shoot the water in the air and set everything on a timer. So that's the shot. And you can see I put the flashes and triggers in Ziploc bags as to not get them wet. Yep, that's the setup. Hope you liked the shot and the video. Thanks for watching.